Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we're doing something pretty simple. We're actually installing a new cabin air filter in my Ram 2500, and it's something that's not super hard, but there is a little trick to get the glove box off or out, and I think that can be definitely a pain in the butt, and that's definitely what I want to show you guys today. So again, first, glove box. Nothing overly hard. On this Ram, there is this little deal. See if I can do it one-handed. That you'll need to take off. Once you have that done, so I'm gonna try to look. Yeah, you can kind of see it there. See if we can get that light. So the stop right here is the key. So a lot of people, and what I first tried to do is you can kind of try and pull this back. Well, that's not what you want to do. It's almost like you can because of this ridge, but it's not actually the best to do that. And there's a ridge kind of, actually there's originally on one side. But it feels like you can do it that way and get it out. But that's not the best way to do it. So, the best way if you just grab your glove box and lift it up. So, you gotta grab the whole thing. And pull it off. So, this one's real simple because it just attaches, as you can see. And there's the stop on the other side. So by just lifting it up, it'll unhook there, and then you're able to remove the glove box completely. And you have nice, easy access to the cabin air filter. All right, now let's pull that out. All right, pull the old one off, pull the cover off, and the cover will also say airflow, which direction, filter. All right, pull it out here in the light. Now the new one from Napa is blue for some reason, but you can tell it's pretty gray color. Definitely starting to definitely get dirty. Nothing too terrible, but definitely started to need change. You can kind of see how nasty it started to get. So definitely time to get it changed. All right, new filter installed. Now it's just getting the glove box back on. Really, let's see here. Okay, really the only trick here is lining everything back up. Okay. Now the glove box is back on, making sure this deal is hooked back up. It's kind of your limit strap. Make sure it's shut and lined up properly. Then you know that is all done in the bottom correctly and snapped in. And that's the cabin air filter on the Ram 2500. I'm sure the 1500 is actually pretty similar. I think they started putting the cabin air filters anywhere between the 13 to 15 model of the 2500. I'd have to double check online. Not too complicated. Biggest thing is just that trick, lifting up the glove box a little bit, just getting that over. First trying to pin that back a little bit. That definitely helped me getting it off definitely a lot easier. So hope you guys enjoyed that. Definitely like and subscribe and share the content. Thank you guys. I appreciate it.